we've got something special, a close look at some of the best steam irons on the market right now. Also, the best prices for each of the irons will be in the description, so you don't have to look for them yourself. I don't want to waste your time, so let's start. The first one we have is a Tower T 22008 CeraGlide Cordless. Let's jump right in and explore the impressive features of this versatile iron. Ironing has never been easier with this model, which seamlessly transitions between corded and cordless operation. While it offers the convenience of cordless ironing, providing 35 seconds of cordless power at a time and recharging in just 15 seconds, it's worth noting that the cord length may require a well-placed plug socket. Despite these minor inconveniences, this iron excels at removing stubborn creases, boasting a tank capacity that lasts for nearly 19 minutes. Its temperature remains accurate across all 3 dot settings, ensuring efficient ironing sessions. Plus, it heats up rapidly, saving you time when tackling your laundry pile. Now, let's talk steam. The continuous steam function proves highly effective in eliminating wrinkles. However, it's important to use the steam button sparingly to avoid potential leakage issues. Now, let's take a look at the key specifications of the Tower T 22008 CeraGlide Cordless Steam Iron. It's a 2-in-1 corded and cordless iron, weighing 1.2 kilograms. With a generous tank capacity of 360 milliliters, it offers a steam rate of 40 grams per minute and a steam shot of 180 grams. Powered by 2400 watts, this iron is ready to tackle even the toughest wrinkles with ease. So, if you're in need of a reliable and efficient iron for your laundry needs, look no further than the Tower T 22008 CeraGlide Cordless Steam Iron. It's a game changer for your ironing routine. The second one we have is a Tefal FV 9845 Ultimate Pure. Let's explore the sleek design and powerful features of this impressive steam iron. Not only does this steam iron boast a stylish design, but it's also incredibly user-friendly, featuring easily accessible buttons and continuous powerful steam functions. Plus, its fine mist spray ensures that even the most stubborn creases are effortlessly removed. We were impressed by the accuracy of the dot settings and the rapid heating of this iron. However, despite its large tank capacity of 350 milliliters, it required refilling in under 9 minutes of continuous use. Additionally, the spray button proved to be overly responsive at times, occasionally spraying when not pressed. Nevertheless, these minor issues aside, the Tefal FV 9845 Ultimate Pure is undoubtedly a premium choice for those seeking exceptional ironing performance. Now, let's take a look at the key specifications of the Tefal FV 9845 Ultimate Pure Steam Iron. It's a corded iron with a weight of 1.45 kilograms. Featuring a generous tank capacity of 350 milliliters, it offers a steam rate of 60 grams per minute and an impressive steam shot of 260 grams. Powered by 3,100 watts, this iron delivers exceptional performance with every use. So, if you're in the market for a premium steam iron that combines style, functionality and power, look no further than the Tefal FV 9845 Ultimate Pure. The third one we have is a Tefal FV 6551 Freemove Air Steam Iron. Let's uncover the efficient design and impressive features of this remarkable steam iron. Among all the irons available, this one stands out for its exceptional efficiency. It consumed just 2 pence of electricity to iron 2 shirts in 10 minutes, compared to the most expensive option that cost 8 pence for the same task. If you're someone who irons frequently, this iron is the ultimate choice for its low running costs. The cordless design offers 30 seconds of usage between quick 30-second recharges. Additionally, its long-lasting tank with a capacity of 250 milliliters is easy to refill, with the maximum fill line clearly visible. However, we did encounter occasional issues with the cap popping open during use. During testing, we found the temperatures to be accurate and the steam settings highly effective. However, it's worth noting that continuous steam requires holding down the trigger. While the iron was a bit slow to heat up and cool down, it remained a reliable choice overall. Now, let's take a look at the key specifications of the Tefal FV 6551 Freemove Air Steam Iron. It's a cordless iron with a weight of 0.84 kilograms, featuring a tank capacity of 250 milliliters. With a steam rate of 35 grams per minute and a powerful steam shot of 190 grams, this iron ensures efficient and effective ironing performance. Powered by 2400 watts, it's a reliable companion for all your ironing needs. So, if you're searching for an iron that combines efficiency, convenience, and reliability, look no further than the Tefal FV 6551 Freemove Air. The next one we have is a Russell Hobbs Color Control 22860. Let's unravel the convenience and efficiency packed into this impressive steam iron. If you're someone who prefers tackling all your ironing in one go, then look no further. The Russell Hobbs Color Control 22860 is your perfect companion. With a water tank capacity lasting over 21 minutes, you'll have ample time to conquer that ironing mountain. Plus, its ergonomic handle ensures comfortable usage, and it reaches optimal temperatures, especially on the 3-dot setting. Refilling the water tank is a breeze thanks to its wide spout, and the well-positioned max line prevents overfilling. Safety is paramount with this iron, as it automatically shuts off after 30 seconds when left lying flat, providing a helpful alert beforehand. While it may not be the quickest to heat up, and the spray function may experience minor leakage, once in action, creases vanish swiftly, even on the 1-dot setting. During testing, it earned top marks on cotton and polycotton fabrics, proving its reliability on linen and nylon as well. It's truly a versatile all-rounder you can depend on for all your ironing needs. Now let's take a look at the key specifications of the Russell Hobbs Color Control 22860 steam iron. It's a corded iron with a weight of 1.4 kilograms, featuring an impressive tank capacity of 380 milliliters. With a steam rate of 45 grams per minute and a powerful steam shot of 140 grams, this iron delivers efficient performance. Powered by 2400 watts, it's your trusted companion for flawless ironing results. So, if you're seeking a reliable, efficient, and convenient steam iron to tackle your ironing tasks with ease, the Russell Hobbs Color Control 22860 is the perfect choice. And finally, the last one we have is a Breville DiamondXpress 3100W VIN 401 steam iron. Let's explore how this iron, featuring a sole plate crafted with diamond, elevates your ironing experience to new heights. The name DiamondXpress isn't just for show. Breville incorporates the precious gem into the sole plate, boasting enhanced durability and effortless gliding over fabrics. Our testers affirmed this, praising its seamless movement across garments while effectively banishing creases. This iron doesn't waste any time heating up, ensuring prompt readiness for your ironing tasks. Despite its powerful performance, it feels lightweight in hand, alleviating any strain during extended use. The generous water tank capacity ensures prolonged usage, ideal for those facing towering laundry piles. Testers noted the impressive steam shot initially, albeit with occasional inconsistencies, which could pose a minor inconvenience for heavily wrinkled clothes. However, with no more than 10 seconds of continuous steam, even the most stubborn creases surrendered, establishing this iron as a dependable companion for most wardrobes. Now, let's delve into the key specifications of the Breville DiamondXpress 3100W VIN 401 steam iron. It's a corded iron with a weight of 1.63 kilograms, equipped with a capacious 400 milliliter water tank. Offering a steam rate of 70 grams per minute and a potent steam shot of 200 grams, this iron delivers formidable performance. With a power output of 3,100 watts, it's a force to be reckoned with in the realm of steam irons. So, if you're in search of an iron that combines strength, efficiency, and durability to tackle your ironing chores with ease, look no further than the Breville DiamondXpress 3100W VIN 401. As mentioned earlier, you can find the best prices for each of the irons in the description, so you don't have to spend your time searching for them yourself. If you enjoyed the insights, hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more videos. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, stay connected and stay tuned for more tech insights.